Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Hope you all are fine and enjoying your vacations. As you know, we had started our physical mode classes, but due to the this wave of COVID, now schools are again closed, so we are switched back to our online classes. Now let's start from this new lesson, that is the lion and the leopard. This is given on page number 62 in your Broadway book. I will read the lesson, I will explain the lesson, and I will underline the difficult words. You have to underline the difficult words. I will explain you the meanings of these difficult words. You will have to learn the spellings of these difficult words, and you will do the reading 3 times at home. So let's start the story. You see at page number 63. A lion wandered through the forest. Wandered means walk in an aimless way, walking here and there without any aim. It was very hot and he was tired and thirsty. That day was very hot and the lion was tired and thirsty. The forest was still in the noonday sun. It means that was a noon time and that was a sunny day. It was hot there, so the lion was tired and thirsty too. The lion thought of the water hole and its cool water. He thought that there is a water hole nearby and its water is very cool. He walked towards it. He started walking towards that water hole. Elsewhere in the forest, a leopard had the same idea. Now in the same forest there was a leopard and he also had the same idea. He wanted to go to that water hole and drink some water. Both reached the hole at the same time. Now both lion and the leopard reached the hole at the same time. When he saw the leopard, the lion stopped. "What are you doing here?" When the lion saw the leopard, he stopped and he asked the leopard, "What are you doing here?" He roared proudly. Roared means prolonged cry. Lions, after all, are the kings of the jungle. As you know, lions are the kings of the jungle. They are called the kings of the jungle. They are strong, furious. That's why lions are called the king of all the animals. The leopard coughed softly as leopards do. Then the leopard coughed softly as mostly leopards do. "Who does he think he is?" he muttered. Then he muttered to himself. Muttered means, this meaning is given in your book also. Spoke in a way so that others could not hear, or say something in an irritation. When you are irritated and you say something, that is called muttering. So the leopard muttered to himself. Then cheekily and in a louder voice he said. Then in cheekily means, the meaning is also given in your book, rudely, without showing any respect. Then the leopard said rudely, "I could ask you the same thing." The leopard said that I can also ask you that what are you doing here, lion? The lion pretended not to hear this. Pretended means not in a genuine way, like he was pretending that he didn't hear all this. So step aside and let me drink, he commanded. Then he said to the leopard that get aside and let me drink water, he commanded. Commanded means give an authoritative order. Because he is called the king of the jungle, so he was behaving like the king, and he gave an authoritative order to the leopard that get aside and let me drink some water. Well, why don't you wait till I finish, said the leopard. After all, I was here first. Then the leopard said, well, but why don't you let me finish this, or why don't you let me drink water first? Because I was here first, I came here first, so let me drink water first. The lion was tired and thirsty. As you know, the lion was tired and thirsty. Get out of my way, he roared. Why should I? Said the leopard angrily. Then the leopard said again, why should I get aside? Why don't you get aside and let me drink the water first? Said the leopard angrily. Now, this time the leopard said angrily. Now students, I think this is enough for today. Now what you have to do at home, you have to read this page. This is page number 63 3 times at home. Then you will underline these difficult words. You have to learn the meanings of these words and to learn the spellings of these difficult words. You have to prepare these difficult words for dictation. There are some difficult words: wandered, still, then is roared, coughed, muttered, cheekily, pretended, commanded. So these are all difficult words. You have to learn the spellings and also the meanings of these words at home. I think this is enough for today. Now inshallah in the next video we will read the remaining part of this lesson. And now for today this is enough. Okay, Allah Hafiz.